Hi Fernie, it's me again and welcome to my mini vlog. Percent unpacking my TikTok free sample. Before we're going to start, I just want to thank God for this beautiful day. And hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Meet Sisi. This is my Sisi. So, hot time na. Medyo kinakabahan na ako dito sa part na to. Paano ba naman kasi, this is my first time na may mag-sponsor sa video na to. And I'm very blessed and grateful to have them. Kaya nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa kanya. Anyway, this product is super underrated. So, kailangan natin siyang busisihin para makita natin kung ano yung kinagandahan niya bukod sa ibang product. Cut na natin, then ang kinagandahan dito is naka-fully secured siya nung dumating sa akin. Akala ko pa naman natatapos na yung pag-unpack ko. Yun pala hindi pa. Sure. Pero nagpapasalamat talaga ako kasi binigyan ako ni Lord ng chance to have them. Yeah, super thank you po sa sponsor na to. I hope na dumami po ang sales natin since maganda kasi yung product na to. Heavenly God will provide you all. Finally, nabuksan na siya and presenting to you a baby pal, baby wipes. Oh, siya lang, ganda diba? From this packaging, mukhang promising talaga ang product na to. A plus for me, yung takip niya kasi para hindi mapasukan ng hangin or di kaya madumihan. Pati yung tape niya, grabe, napakadikit kaya for sure di talaga matatanggal to. Basta-basta. Grabe ang seal niya mga Fernie. Ang gandang galing ng pagkakagawa nito. And about sa smell nga, grabe ang bango. Talagang amoy powder. Feeling ko pagka ginagamit ko to kay Shiloh, talagang hindi ko na kailangan ng pulbo dun sa ano niya. 80 sheets na rin pala to mga Fernie. So, matagal-tagal mo rin siya mauubos. About the brand comparison, as you can see, mas makapal po si Baby Pal compare sa brand X. And nung sinalat ko po yung pinaka-wipes niya, hindi siya ganun ka-watery. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, Fernie, try niyo na rin to sa Junakis niyo or even to yourself kasi it is stated na hypoallergenic and very careful sa skin ng kahit na anong ages. And about sa manufacturer niya, it is safe because it is Philippine-made and the ingredients are carefully selected just to be safe our skin. Kaya this product is a proof of mom like me, so you don't have to worry. And I can't wait my baby Shiloh to use this beautiful and very solid wipes. So what are you waiting for, Fernie? You can click the link below for more details. Thanks for watching my video, but before we going to end, I just want to thank Baby Pal. And thanks for standing by. You can watch my other videos here, and I put the playlist on the screen. Thank you and God bless you.